Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gilmas Louis, and today I will be presenting a case study on the ETAP real-time solution we implemented for Skyworks in Mexico, focusing on the key challenges, the implementation, and the end-user benefits of this project. On the agenda today, we will cover the following points. What were the customer objectives? Like what prompted the solution? The solution requirements, what options were considered, and what was needed by the client. The ETAP value proposition, why ETAP was the ideal choice for this project. We will also look at the primary features of ETAP PSMS and ESCADA that were implemented as part of the solution. And at the end, we will look at the tangible key customer benefits, what results were achieved, and what are the main takeaways from this project. A little bit about Skyworks. Skyworks has been manufacturing integrated circuit modules in Mexicali since 1969, investing in technology, facilities, and state-of-the-art equipment, yielding a world-class operation based on advanced processes and a highly trained workforce. The company is one of the largest employers in the Mexicali region, with 3,100 employees, and it continuously participates in governmental programs that promote research and development in Mexico. The Skyworks objectives of this project included an accurate way of controlling the energy costs of all the plant processes. They wanted to be able to manage and ensure the electrical system power quality. They wanted to increase the energy efficiency of their entire electrical operation. And they wanted to be able to have the right information at the right time to make decisions on system requirements and improvements. Skyworks has been a customer of ETAP since 2019, and they already had a digital twin of their electrical system at the medium voltage level. With these tools, they had already developed electricity and gas efficiency plans that resulted in 29,173 tons of CO2 reduction over the years. Now, in the semiconductor manufacturing business, it's very important to monitor the electrical system throughout the plant, including medium and low voltage operations. Skyworks, therefore, wanted to expand their ETAP model down to low voltage equipment at the entire plant. Using their existing Metasys building management system, Skyworks could already monitor the primary electrical infrastructure. However, they wanted to expand the capabilities to include predictive simulation in order to improve the reliability of their entire electrical system. Another key requirement was to implement an energy accounting solution so that they could evaluate costs of the different process areas. Last but not least, the new system had to be able to monitor the power quality to comply with Mexico's grid code requirements. Now, it's important to mention that the ETAP solution did not replace the existing communication infrastructure, but actually integrated into it. An ETAP real-time server system was introduced to manage and communicate with their existing metering and protection equipment via Modbus through data concentrator technologies such as RTAC and Schneider Electric RTUs. The solution also included a server for archiving real-time and event historical data so that it could be used for post-event analysis, system trending, and reporting. Within the ETAP real-time server, SCADA templates and dashboards are also available for operator use. Now, the ETAP value proposition. ETAP was chosen over other potential solutions due to its comprehensive all-in-one nature. Our solution offers the ability to monitor, simulate, and analyze electrical systems in a single environment, giving the end user control over everything from design and simulation to operation and maintenance. This level of integration was essential for Skyworks, whose primary objective was to increase the energy efficiency of the operation through operating data availability, integrated analytics, and access to technical data of their entire electrical assets. In addition, ETAP differentiates itself through its scalable architecture, enabling future expansion of capabilities for protection and power management, as well as future expansion of the manufacturing plant. Very important as our value proposition was that ETAP has a center of excellence in Mexico that could provide strong technical support in Spanish, which gave Skyworks the certainty of local technical support throughout the implementation of the project and also for the future. ETAP Power System Monitoring and Simulation, PSMS, is at the core of ETAP's real-time power management system. This is one of the primary features why Skyworks selected ETAP for this project, as it provides capability to simulate before operating their electrical system. This reduces the probability of operator error for operation and maintenance. In addition to the standard SCADA type alarms, the ETAP PSMS system provides continuous electrical system analysis on the entire network, including non-monitor components. Digitally, this increases visibility of their entire electrical system, therefore increasing the reliability and the situational awareness of the operation. Also, analytical alarms are generated for every component in the network without any programming or extra configuration. As part of the solution that was implemented for Skyworks, the ETAP ESCADA module was integrated to provide monitoring of metering and protection equipment from various manufacturers. ETAP ESCADA is a model-driven electrical SCADA software, offering real-time visualization via intelligent graphical user interface, web-based dashboards, and also on one-line diagram monitoring. User-defined reports for energy efficiency, monitoring, and KPI management were provided to Skyworks as part of this solution. What were the tangible key customer benefits? After implemented ETAP, PSMS, and ESCADA, Skyworks experienced several measurable benefits. First of all, with this solution, they're now able to have full situational awareness of their entire electrical system from one single integrated platform, reducing the need to maintain several different systems and platforms. Secondly, with the implemented ETAP solution, Skyworks is able to manage their internal electrical system and analyze energy quality and reliability to prevent potential catastrophic events. Lastly, Skyworks now has a tool to avoid potential penalties by ensuring their compliance with Mexico's national grid code. Thank you for joining this session, and I look forward to seeing you again in the future.